Today we are checking out the HWISHARE 4G LTE solar trail camera. A serious option if you want wildlife monitoring, remote property security, or just a peace of mind with minimal upkeep. So this is a 4G trail camera that can be charged by solar panel. It sends out real-time alerts with this built-in LTE, so you can manage everything in real time. Getting everything out of the box, we have your paperwork and a mounting template for hardware, a solar panel with a USB-C cord, some mounting hardware for the solar panel and camera, some mounting screws, a USB to USB-C cable, and a strap that you can use to mount the camera, and the trail camera. The camera records video at 2.7K resolution and 14 megapixels for the image pixels. This thing has a built-in 4G LTE SIM card that works with Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. You get 300 megabytes of cellular data and 30 days of cloud storage included right out of the box. It has a built-in 7800 milliamp battery giving you long battery life, including the option to charge it and keep it topped off with a 5-watt solar panel. This combo means less hassle with charging batteries. It's more of a setup and forget it kind of setup. The night vision is no glow IR, so you don't spook any animals or tip off intruders. It can see up to about 80 feet in total darkness. And it's also rated at IP65, so it can handle rain and dust elements. It also supports local storage with the TF card with loop recording. So when the card fills up, the older footage is overwritten and you keep getting the latest captures without having to go out and grab the memory card and dump it. This is really handy, considering you can still save and download clips from the card directly through the app. We had a lot of fun using this camera to catch deer, and it was a whole lot of fun, as well as getting some pretty nice clips too. And with the LTE setup, I did not have to physically visit to check out the camera. I got alerts every time the motion was triggered and was able to easily access the app and check to see what it was that triggered the camera. So if you're looking for a trail camera that gives you strong remote capabilities, low maintenance, and good night visibility without scaring off wildlife, the HWISHARE 4G LTE solar trail camera is a really solid bet. We have all of our links and details located in the description if you'd like to check out this camera for yourself. Thank you all so much for watching, and now I'm going to go check out some more deer footage we got. Later.